Hey y'all, we're in a real good thunderstorm here. Nutley, New Jersey. Oh my god, it's so pouring. Uh-oh. Freaking. Oh. Is this the window? Look at it. Oh my. That is 12. Oh my god. The Predator is running. It's running okay. Oh my god. The Kenmore's running here. Let me go to my bolster. You could probably hear thunder. Oh my god, I just saw a flash. It's gonna, look. I bet I heard that. It's running on high. I saw another piece of lightning. Just give it a little temp check. And thunderstorm rain. I know the compressor will take off because it's cool enough in here. 45, it should be cold. I know the compressor will take off again. This one's been running all day. I go on vacation like August, at the end of August. I can't believe I have to go on vacation like the end of August. That's so stupid. Oh, that was the ice cream. Oh, I just saw lightning. That is really pouring. It's like 68, 67 in here. I'm not gonna check the Kenmore. I'm gonna skip it. It's been running. It's literally been running all day. All day and all morning. The LG 6000. Let me see how it is on the outside. It's not wet. It's not even wet. But it's blowing cold this high, so no water in the unit because it's kind of not good for the air conditioner to have water in the unit. Do a temp check, and here's like 7. There's no way it's 7. We're in the 30s. That is so fucking amazing. Holy, yeah, it is pouring out. Data sheet, LG LW6017R. Or what version like 38? What just all on the lightning. 67 inches. We're in the 30s. Pushing like 45, 36. Wow. It is ice cold. Ugh. Put the blinds down. Alright, just a little quick update. I can't go outside because it's pouring rain. It's pouring outside. My unit, oh my god, look at the deck. It's flooded. I'm gonna get a view of it. Oh, pizza. Look at the deck. Oh my god. Oh my god, I heard it. At least there's thunder. More over here than by over there. Holy god. That is a big thunderstorm we're in. And it's 77 degrees out, so I mean, I might shut the units off because it's not that hot out. Oh, first we'll get those. What is it? It's 63. This one will break. Let me shut the Kenmore off and let me shut the LG off. And I'm probably gonna keep my Gold Star running, or else I'll shut mine off too. guess we'll do a quick temp check on it. It's been running, so and compressor not clicking anymore. It's enough temperature in here. Whoa. Shut the LG off. We'll give it one tap check then. Shut it down. It's dirty, we're pushing really good. Alright, shut it down. What? This will get on camera real quick. What the hell? I just saw thunder again. Still blowing a little cold. Alright. That'll do it. Trying to pick a new unit for my room. Really want one of those Kenmore 8000 by LGs. The Kenmore Smart by LG. Alright, shut the LG off. I guess it's 42, 41, 38, 39, I really need to swap this unit out because I need an air conditioner I could go up. I'm trying to find one in the market. I want to carry a Siesta though. That's my opinion for my air conditioner. My new room air conditioner. Giving the Gold Star a little break, as I know. This thing kind of, I mean, when it gets to cooling, it does okay. It's just, I need an air conditioner that blows up because I have a loft bed and stuff. I'm not using my LG air conditioner. I want to get like a Gold Star 5, Zenith 5. I know I am in habit of collecting model units. I know I should be collecting vintage unit right now, but none of them won't probably fit in my window because of how freaking heavy they are. The Gold Star is a good unit, trust me. Alright. Hold on, let me just put it below. Alright. It's enough about it. It's about to do it. Bye bye.